how to add friends on Snapchat from contacts. So first is you have to go to your Snapchat application and it will actually lead you directly to your camera area. Now here in your camera area, what I want you to do next is to actually on the upper part you will see your icon, and then beside that your icon is a magnifying glass or a search icon. Just tap on directly to search icon and you just have to search for a specific person that you want to add. As you can see, if you want to add a specific person from your contact, just tap on, as you can see here, for example, this, you want to add friend this person. On the bottom part, be under the person's name, you will see in my contacts, meaning that person is actually in your contact, and just tap on add. And basically, that is how you add friends on Snapchat from contacts. And if it doesn't work, make sure that you have updated your Snapchat application. And to do that, you have to go to your App Store or your Play Store and just search for Snapchat there. And if you will see an update button, you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. As you can see, I don't have any update button, which means my Snapchat application is updated. Now, if it's updated, you can now go back to your Snapchat application and do the same process again. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.